Vihan, have you ever been fascinated by the grandeur of the Mughal Empire in Indian history?
Absolutely, Oriv. The Mughals were not just rulers, they were patrons of art and culture, leaving behind a legacy that still resonates today.
Indeed. It all started with Babur, who founded the empire in 1526. He came from what is now Uzbekistan and defeated the Sultan of Delhi to establish his rule.
And then came Akbar, known for his wisdom and tolerance. He expanded the empire and introduced policies that integrated different cultures and religions.
Akbar's reign was a golden period for arts, culture, and architecture. He built the city of Fatehpur Sikri, a jewel of Indo-Islamic architecture.
Then there was Shah Jahan, who commissioned the construction of the Taj Mahal, an eternal symbol of love and one of the seven wonders of the world.
But it wasn't all glory. The empire also saw its share of strife, especially during Aurangzeb's reign, which was marked by religious intolerance and military expansion.
True, and after Aurangzeb, the empire began to decline. It faced internal conflicts and external pressures, eventually falling to the British East India Company.
Despite its fall, the Mughal Empire left an indelible mark on India. Its influence can be seen in our cuisine, language, and culture.
Yes, the Urdu language, Mfly cuisine, and various art forms thrived under their patronage. The Mughals truly shaped the socio-cultural fabric of India.
It's amazing how history can teach us so much about the present. The Mughal Empire's story is a testament to the power of tolerance and the consequences of its absence.
Well said, Oriv. Learning about the Mughals gives us a deeper appreciation for India's diversity and the importance of harmony among different cultures.
Now it's time to practice. To truly master English, don't just listen, respond. Repeat after me and let your voice be heard. Let's explore the grandeur of the Mughal Empire in Indian history. Repeat after me. The Mughal Empire was founded by Babur in 1526. The Mughal Empire was founded by Babur in 1526. Babur established his rule in India. Babur established his rule in India. Akbar expanded the empire. Akbar expanded the empire. He built the city of Fatehpur Sikri. Please repeat, he built the city of Fatehpur Sikri. Shah Jahan commissioned the Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan commissioned the Taj Mahal. The empire faced strife during Aurangzeb's reign. The empire faced strife during Aurangzeb's reign. The empire began to decline after Aurangzeb. The empire began to decline after Aurangzeb. The Mughal Empire influenced our culture. The Mughal Empire influenced our culture. Learning about the Mughals shows the importance of harmony. Learning about the Mughals shows the importance of harmony.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new and useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook.